A very warm welcome to class 10A, and we are back for our own classes. And why we are here? Good morning, Millie. Nice to see you. Fine. This is why we are making you all, so that at least you should overcome with all the hurdles of your examinations. That I can understand it's too panic, it's too painful, daily, the things. If you have any problem, Nadia, please talk frankly to PD ma'am and these people. Because once you all are going to talk or your parents will talk, the things may be sorted out, right? I cannot talk to you all directly. Okay, so please talk to them. Fine, whenever you have some problem, any issues. Beta, you talk to the higher authorities. Tell your parents to talk. That would be better. Okay. Now, the thing is that next point we come to. Now, pre-board papers are going to be like a mixed bag of all the sample papers only. To be very frank, enough, I'm discussing with you all. And this is what we have to sit at a place, set a timer of 2.5 hours, not of 3 hours. See whether you are able to solve the question papers in that particular time or not. Whether it is social, whether it is science, whether it is English, Hindi, any other subject, maths, take the target as 2.5 hours, that's all. And speed up. Two things you have to maintain. You have to maintain neatness, cleanliness, discipline, right? And another one is of about what? Of about the writing and the proper procedure of the board examinations. One more important thing, children. In board examination, it is my suggestion, nothing else. If you are solving part A, question number 1, and suddenly you feel like now I want to solve question number part B, question number 5. Don't do that. It's my personal suggestion. If you want to solve part A, then solve part A completely. If you want to solve part B, then solve part B completely, then move to part A. Because the person XYZ, whosoever will be checking the paper now, if that person gets irritated by seeing your paper, so your marks is going to be deducted. I'm frankly speaking to you all, because I have checked many times board papers. So that's why it's my suggestion to you all that these things happen. Okay, so try to solve part A or part B first completely, then come to the next question. Next important point, question number should be mentioned. Question number along with the first letter of that question and the ... and the last letter of the question. Why? In many question numbers, we have options. And again, there is a big confusion that which option you have solved. Don't try to give any question numbers from your side. For example, question number 5 is having 2 options. And in options, we never give numbering, right? Question number 5, question first, then or, then the next question, right? But what you all do, question number 5, section B, and then you start writing. I know, or we know, the teachers of your school knows that what you are thinking. But the other people, those who are sitting in the board examination, board committee for correction, they don't know that. So what you have to do is, write the question number. Beta, I am feeling like I am talking to the walls. And last time I request you all to switch on the videos, or else I will stop teaching in the class. This is what board guidance I am giving to you. If you want, then take, otherwise I will stop it. Only Darshan and Millie I can see. बड़े हो गए बच्चे, right? They don't want to listen to the teachers. Fine. इतना जिद. Good. अच्छा लगता है बच्चे बड़े होने से. Fine. Question number. Then the first word of that question and put a ... and write the last word of that question so that it will be crystal clear for that teacher. And Please don't forget to write answer, ANS answer. Maximum students, they skip writing answer, they just start writing beside the margin. If I'm not wrong, I can show you the papers. Last year also it happened the same. Okay, you are not mentioning the answers too. That's what I want, that you all should come down here and give your paper so that we can show you the mistakes what you all are committing. Proper answer sheet, proper way of writing, proper way of expressing, whether it is maths, whether it is social, whether it is English, whatever subject it may be, I can at least tell you continuously, daily I am telling you the board pattern of writing. Don't commit any kind of silly mistakes. And while you are entering the roll numbers, the registration number, when you will be getting now, when you will sit for your examinations, when you are filling it up, you have to be very careful. If you do a single overwriting in your paper can be cancelled. I'm telling you one thing. If there is a single overwriting in your paper will be cancelled. Then don't tell me कि मैम मेरा तो एग्जाम गया. Time, discipline, maintenance, neatness, cleanness, how to write the answers. One more important, capital letters. My goodness, when you are beginning this answer, when you are starting to write the answer, please don't forget to start the answer with a capital letter. I guess many are doing the same mistake. Many. Right? Now I come to the question paper which I have floated yesterday. Actually, we were discussing it in the class. So let's discuss it so that you can come to know that what all mistakes you all have done. And I know few students are there, those who have copied and write. I know that. I know who all have done. So I won't be taking their names. I know it is going to be within me and you. But if you are honest, just tell me personally. Right? If you are honest, if you have faith on me, then you will tell me. I know. Fine. Let's start. I guess this was your yesterday's paper. Right? This much you can say yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much for saying. I felt like someone is there in my class. Okay, so if you know the question, so I did not need to go through it. Did we solve grammar day before yesterday?
Ma'am, only analytical paragraph 1.
Grammar we have not solved?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so let's solve grammar first. Shall we start? Shall we start, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
My first question to Rianshi. Rianshi? Rianshi?
Yes, ma'am.
I want the first answer, beta. In developed
Yes, ma'am.
countries such as Britain, Germany, Japan, and USA, one can see a number of people of all age groups like pensioners, school-going children, etc. Dash I the meadows.
Ma'am, movement नहीं.
No.
etc. Moved about, ma'am. Move about. C. Option C.
Wrong answer. Anyone else? Anyone else? Samyak. Yes, Samyak. Yes, Samyak. Yes, Samyak. Yanshi, switch off your mic. Samyak, you want to speak? Samyak. Option number A is the correct answer, right? Moksh is also right. Samyak is also right. Samyak, I can't hear your voice. I know you are trying to speak, but I can't hear your voice. Next. Next question to Maulik. Maulik,
Yes, ma'am.
I want the next answer. I the meadows means moving about the meadow, moving about I the meadows, forests and parks on the river banks and seashores with cameras and notebooks. Dash birds. Dash birds.
Ma'am, option A.
Notes, jotting down the names, colors and size of the difference. No. Jotting down the names, colors and size.
Ma'am, B.
Different. B.
Ma'am, option B.
Option B is the correct
Yes,
answer.
ma'am, B.
Different.
Different. Each member of a bird watching club dash a badge. Each member of a bird watching club dash a badge.
Ma'am, options.
Yes, ma'am. Options, please.
Achha, sorry, sorry, beta, sorry. Was provided with, was provided in, is provided with, is provided in. Now let us see the question once again. Bird watching is provided with, is provided in.
Was provided with. With,
Was
ma'am.
provided with a badge.
Was provided.
नहीं है.
Option A.
Was provided.
Yes, ma'am. Option A.
Good. Okay. Next question. Even as Monu was about to go to lay, his grandmother asked him, dash.
Option D. Who is his best friend?
Wait, let me see. This comes again and again. Even as Monu was about to go to lay, his grandmother asked him. Option number, who is his
D.
friend? Who his
Yes, ma'am.
friend was?
Ma'am, option A.
A. Option number A.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, who
Yes, ma'am.
was?
I think was will come. Who was?
Ma'am, who is आएगा?
Who his best friend? 1 second.
Yes, ma'am.
Was his best friend? Who was?
Who was his best friend?
Let me read out once again. Even as Monu was about to go out to lay, his grandmother asked him, who was his best friend?
Yes, ma'am. Option A.
Option number A. Gently kicking his ball, a happy-looking Monu replied, his best friend was Shashank. This surprised the grandmother, who she thought that Shamu had been his best friend. She asked dash. She asked dash.
Ma'am, B. Option B.
Option number B.
Yes, ma'am. Option B. Why you?
Why you like Shashank so much? She asked why you like Shashank so much with a grin on his face. Monu replied that, okay, correct. Monu replied that, yes, beta, who will tell me the answer?
Ma'am, option C.
If he beat him, he did not beat him back. If I beat him, he does not beat me back.
Ma'am, option D.
Wait. Option? Beta, be very careful. Huh? Monu replied that. Monu replied that
Indirect indirect
he
speech.
does not beat me back. If I beat him, he did not beat me back. Beta, option number A. Monu replied that if I beat him, he does not beat me back. Yes? Children, आई बात समझ?
Ma'am, this is indirect speech, na?
Which one? This sentence, na?
Ma'am.
हाँ, तो see the line, na beta. Why you're getting confused? She asked, right? Why did you like Shashank so much? With a grin on his face. Green मतलब एक जिज्ञासा एक टेंशन के साथ. With a grin on his face, Monu replied that if I beat him, Monu बोल रहा है कि अगर मैं मारता हूं, he does not beat me back. He did not beat me back. No. You're confident. He does not beat me back. Now you tell me.
Ma'am, let's take one example that indirect means direct speech. Monu says he is going to school. Ma'am, when we will convert this in indirect speech, so it will become Monu said that he
No,
yes,
बेटा.
ma'am.
सुनो मेरी बात. मोनू बोल रहा है, right? Monu is saying, right? Okay, if he beat him,
Yes, ma'am.
होगा. There can be two answers. There is a confusion between A and D. B and C तो हो ही नहीं सकता. Getting me?
Ma'am,
Confusion.
yes, ma'am.
Would any? This is why now I want like you all should be in front of me now. To really miss you all. क्या करें? I will sort out your problem, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's move ahead. Just keep this question in mind. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct options for any 4 of the 6 sentences given below. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct options for any 4. But we will do all the 6. We drove with dash care. We drove with dash care and hence was fined by dash police.
Option B.
Ma'am, B. Yes, ma'am.
Little care.
Little dog.
Option B, ma'am.
With little
Little
care
dog.
and hence was fined by
The police.
the police. Correct. Very correct. Next question. The Prime Minister
Will leave.
Will live.
Option C.
Russia tomorrow on a 5-day visit. The Prime Minister
Will leave.
will.
Will. Yes.
Correct. Next. I did not know Jim dash to the United
Hmm.
States.
Migrated.
Yes, ma'am. C.
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 I did not know Jim migrated to the United States. Sorry. Fine, correct. Traveling by bus is dash expensive than by train.
Less
Less.
expensive.
Traveling by bus is less expensive. Correct. The climate is getting dash every year.
Hotter.
Hotter.
Option C.
Option C.
I like short stories best because they dash much time to read. They
Doesn't.
Don't
Do-
take.
Don't.
Hmm, hmm, hmm. So these type of questions, as much as you're going to practice, you all are going to be in a comfortable zone. Fine. Getting me? So,
Yes, ma'am.
letter is in front of you. Who has written the letter? Which letter? I just want to listen the drafting. It is there in front of you. Yes? Clear, children? Anyone would like to draft the letter? For example, if you are starting the letter, you will put question number 8, right? Then you will put this capital A, first letter U are Neha, dot, 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 and you will write the last word same and put a full stop, and then you will start writing the letter. If I am clear? Okay, children? Fine? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so who can draft the letter now? I want to listen, beta. I want to listen the language. Yes, children. I want to listen the language from your side. No one is ready to answer me. All are moving out slowly, I can see. Tente. Really disgusting. Moksh? Moksh? Moksh, are you there in my class? Divyansh,
Yes,
Divyansh,
ma'am.
can you
Yes,
just
ma'am.
draft out any one of the letter?
Uh, Ma'am, I'll do the second one, the Shubham one.
Hmm?
Uh, so first we'll write the sender's address, then date, then receiver's address. So here, ma'am, can you do somewhat down? So means in next page also there is some part of question. Ma'am,
हाँ हाँ अच्छा अच्छा wait.
please do it somewhat down. Next page. Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, here we have to write the letter to editor of local newspaper. So there we can mention anyone like Haribhumi, etc. And Haribhumi office, uh, Karol Bagh, Delhi. Like this, we'll write in receiver address. Then we'll write the uh, subject first. As you said in new pattern, firstly
Now,
we
what
write.
about the sender's
Uh,
address?
huh? Yes, ma'am.
Forgotten the sender's address?
First, we have to write in sender's address this
Ah,
49 Karol Bagh, Delhi.
correct.
First, in the beginning, we'll write that,
Mhm.
then date, then receiver address, Haribhumi, etc. Anything we can write.
Ah,
Then, after that, ma'am, we'll write the subject as it's in the new pattern.
hmm.
Then, after salutation, yes,
And
ma'am.
date.
Huh. Res- huh. Date to between, I think,
Between
address it's
both the
there, no?
senders and the receivers.
Huh. Address between it's there, that mentioned, ma'am.
Hmm.
And then salutation, respected sir.
Hmm.
I Shubham, a resident of Karol Bagh, is facing problems in my locality that there are some people who recklessly drive in the roads, which leads to many road accidents, and they wear face masks, or they don't show their identity, and they are in so much speed that we can't even catch them. So it's my it's my request to you and your means your newspapers that please raise this issue that uh, road safety is very much necessary, as due to those people who are I think we can say them road bikers, they even cause some of the damages to the local people living near Karol Bagh and that area. And between last few weeks they have recorded more than 10 accident cases. So it is a very much dangerous thing which is happening every day. So like this we'll write, and then after we'll write what are its ill causes and how it's damaging us, ma'am. We'll elaborate it everything in 2 to 3 paragraphs. Then at ending we'll write, it's my humble request to you to raise this issue in the public in the newspaper, so that everyone will get the awareness and these things might get stopped. Yours faithfully, Shubham.
Shubham. Yes, very good job done. At least I wanted that any one of you should speak out, right? Now, your problematic area is you are using that many a times. As because you're saying now, it can be like that. Because of that reason only you are repeating that particular word again and again. You need to rectify this word, है ना? And take care that the
Yes,
vocab
ma'am.
should be very good and rich with lots of good vocabularies. Okay, practice as many as formal letter you can. Okay, see, if we talk about this formal letter, you are Neha or Nitin Ahuja, sports in charge of DAV Centenary Public School, Amritsar. Your school wishes to buy some sports accessories from MT Emporium, New Delhi. Draft a letter placing an order for the same. This is the most easiest one actually. No one has tried to speak about on this topic, right? What we have observed. So I expect my students to speak out, please. It is really needed. If you speak out, it is for your betterment, children. Okay. So well done. Good job. Good practice is going on for grammar portion. That is really, I appreciate you all. You all have done a good job. And the confusion with that example, we will solve it. See, children, it might happen that many types of common questions you might be seeing in the pre-board, because we are going to float many more question papers in your WhatsApp group. So you can think that, Arey ma'am, this question was that. This is just for your practice only. That is the reason why I am saying. Okay, beta, got it? Chalo. Take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow again. Bye, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Always welcome. Take care.